Tonight, a federal judge is asking tough questions of both sides in a lawsuit against the Johnson City Police for their handling of the Sean Williams case. It's one of 3 lawsuits the city and former officers are facing. Good evening, I'm Christian Kwan.
And I'm Casey Guest. News 5's Caleb Perney explains the arguments from both sides and what direction the judge is now moving the case.
The lawsuit comes from Michaela Evans, who alleges she was pushed out of Sean Williams' 5th-story condo window and that Williams paid police bribes to get them to avoid investigation. In federal court, Judge Ronnie Greer taking up several issues, Johnson City and defendant police officers asking for the case to be dismissed. An attorney for Johnson City saying, "You don't have a constitutional right to investigation of a third party. That alone results in a dismissal of the vast majority of her lawsuit." An attorney for Evans argued, "We're not just saying there's an investigation issue, but that is part of a greater conspiracy." Greer said he'll rule on the motion to dismiss soon. Judge Greer also taking issue with claims based on information and belief. "I may believe the moon is made of green cheese, but that's sort of irrelevant," Greer said. He asked Evans' lawyers to supplement her allegations with something more substantive. Defense attorneys also asked Greer for a summary judgment based on Evans' text messages from 3 years ago and a 1-year statute of limitations. There's sufficient information coming from Michaela Evans' own mouth that she believes she had a cause of action. That triggers the statute of limitations, a lawyer said. Evans' attorneys called the messages hearsay of hearsay because the messages came from prosecutor Kateri Dahl through discovery in another lawsuit. Judge Greer denied a request from Evans' attorneys to depose Dahl, but allowed them to submit a response from Evans about what she meant in the text. Greer, who presided over Sean Williams' criminal trials, called the allegations of the suit serious, saying he would fast-track the case and likely push it toward mediation. Greer said, "I frankly can't think of a reason why your stuff should all be aired in a public courtroom. There's a lot of potential risk for both sides." In Greenville, Caleb Perney, News 5, WCYB.